Hi friends, I'm Dr. Aajay Shah. In this 2-minute long video, I'm going to explain you what a healthy optimal diet is. People who live long, like 100 years old, typically eat whole food plant-based diet. They eat minimum processed food. Animal products only provide about 10% calories for them. They typically don't drink alcohol or have a minimum alcohol. They typically eat home. This is the characteristics of a healthy diet. So let's see what we eat in America for the last 30 or 40 years. We eat about 65% of processed food. 25% of our calories come from animal products, including red meat, chicken, fish, and dairy. We have a significant amount of alcohol in our diet. We have lots of oil, lots of saturated fat. And this has led to obesity and diabetes epidemic. We are living less. Healthcare cost has gone up. So how can we design a healthy optimal diet? Healthy optimal diet should include whole food plant-based diet, including beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables. It should have plenty of water on a daily basis. We should be mostly eating at home. If we do this thing together, I'm sure we will be able to reverse and prevent many of the chronic diseases. So let's do it together. I'm here to help you. I'm going to be always with you. Ask me questions, write comments, and I assure you I will answer each and every question and each and every comment personally and individually. Please share this video if you like it. Please click on our social media page if you feel this healthy movement is a good movement for you. Thank you and wish you the best.